Why should you stop using ClickFunnels, Midjourney, and Dropbox? Are you weary of the relentless grind in the online business arena, yearning for that elusive breakthrough? So let's look at the reasons you must stop using these 3 tools. Prepare to be enlightened, for I'm about to unveil the catalyst that will revolutionize your journey: Super Affiliate Academy Elite. Envision having at your fingertips a treasure trove of 22 state-of-the-art courses, meticulously crafted to catapult your affiliate marketing prowess into the stratosphere. We're delving into the realms of GPT Store Exposed, Anonymous AI, Influencer, and that's merely scratching the surface. But hold on to your seats, for the odyssey continues. Picture mastering instant cash dash, harnessing the power of quantum AI, and riding the wave of the TikTok revolution. These aren't mere courses, they're your golden tickets to the upper echelons of affiliate marketing dominance. You may be thinking, such a cornucopia of knowledge comes with an exorbitant price tag? Prepare to have your preconceptions shattered. Super Affiliate Academy Elite not only bestows upon you this wealth of wisdom but also renders obsolete a plethora of costly tools you're likely already investing in. Let's dissect the financial implications. ClickFunnels? A potential annual drain of $2,970. Midjourney? That could set you back $1,152 yearly. Dropbox? Another $396 vanishing from your coffers. We're talking about a staggering $4,510 evaporating from your account every single year. But behold the game changer: Super Affiliate Academy Elite delivers all this value, replaces all 3 of these tools and more for a $1 3-day trial and merely $97 monthly investment. That's a potential annual windfall savings of over $3,300. And the bounty of benefits doesn't end there. Members are privy to monthly mastermind sessions, akin to tapping into a hive mind of marketing geniuses. You'll acquire giveaway rights to award-winning products, and secure guaranteed approval to promote any product with an eye-watering 75% commission. Don't just take my word as gospel. Our members are shattering glass ceilings, metamorphosing side hustles into full-fledged empires, and achieving results that are nothing short of transformative. And here's the pièce de resistance: James and Max, the visionary architects behind this phenomenon, are ceaselessly augmenting the platform with fresh resources every single month. You'll perpetually be at the vanguard of innovation. So, are you prepared to ascend to the pantheon of super affiliates? Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. Super Affiliate Academy Elite's doors are open, but the clock is ticking. Click the link below to embark on your odyssey towards affiliate marketing mastery today.